Welcome back to this channel. Today, we'll be taking a look at the all-new 2026 Lexus NX, a luxury SUV that seamlessly blends elegance, technology, and power. From its bold exterior design to its sophisticated interior and engine options, this SUV raises the bar in its segment. Let's take a closer look. From the front, the 2026 NX draws attention with its signature Lexus spindle grille, which is now sharper and more aggressive than ever. The intricate mesh pattern gives it a sporty yet luxurious look. Sleek triple-beam LED headlights with L-shaped daytime running lights, or DRLs, give this SUV a futuristic look, while large side air intakes emphasize its performance. This front end is designed to command attention both day and night. From the side, the NX features a sleek, coupe-inspired silhouette with subtle curves and muscular wheel arches that convey a commanding presence. Flat door handles and sharp body lines add sophistication, while a black roof and striking 20-inch alloy wheels with red accents exude performance. Lexus clearly wants this SUV to appeal to both luxury seekers and sporty drivers. At the rear, the look is even more stylish. Wide LED taillights stretch smoothly over the tailgate, adding a modern touch. A subtle roof spoiler and a sculpted bumper with dual exhaust tips reinforce the sporty character. The Lexus logo is prominently displayed in the center, ensuring everyone knows what you're driving. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus NX offers a variety of engine options. A 2.5-liter hybrid engine produces around 240 horsepower for efficiency-minded buyers, while a more powerful 2.4-liter turbocharged engine produces nearly 300 horsepower for those seeking thrills. And for those concerned about the environment, Lexus is rumored to offer an electric version with a range of over 250 miles. Combined with Lexus's refined suspension and available all-wheel drive system, the NX promises comfort and confidence on the road. Climb inside and the luxury is immediately apparent. The 2026 Lexus NX welcomes you with premium leather upholstery, shown here in a deep brown, paired with soft touch materials and ambient lighting. The cockpit is driver-focused with a 12-inch digital instrument cluster and the large 14-inch infotainment screen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The center console is futuristic with a crisp gear shift lever, touch controls, and a wireless charging pad. Add in a 17-speaker Mark Levinson audio system, advanced driver assistance features, and Lexus's new AI-powered voice assistant, and you'll be sitting in one of the most sophisticated cabins in its class. The 2026 Lexus NX is expected to start at $43,000 for the base model, with higher trims like the F-Sport and hybrid versions reaching $58,000 at full price. With its design, luxury, and technology, it's a formidable competitor to rivals like the BMW X3, Audi Q5, and Mercedes GLC. So the 2026 Lexus NX isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a statement of style, performance, and innovation. Whether you're looking for efficiency, sporty performance, or cutting-edge technology, the NX gives you a taste of everything Lexus has to offer. Would you choose the NX over its German rivals? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.